Well, the appeals court has denied TikTok their request for a temporary halt of the banning of the app. Now they're hoping for one of two things. One, Donald Trump on the campaign trail said this.
I'll tell you about TikTok. Trump is going to keep TikTok going, whereas Biden and Harris have no idea what it means. And all it's going to do is be good for China the other way. It's no good. We're going to save TikTok.
But we also know that if he's breathing, he's lying, so don't hold your breath there. The final way to get around this for them, and what they have said they are going to do, is they're going to petition directly to the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court can look at this and say, no, we do not have precedence to completely ban an entire mode of communication with millions and millions of Americans use for access to the news and whatever else and communicating with each other, all because there is a claim that there are security concerns regarding ByteDance owning TikTok and ByteDance being a Chinese company. Now, I will tell you, I do have friends that are active duty to this day and do get secret and top secret briefings. And while obviously they're not going to get into details with me because I don't hold those clearances anymore, they have definitely implied that there is a good reason or valid security concern with China. But I can read between the lines, and I have gotten these briefings before. And let me tell you, I guarantee you it's going to be about access to our data. Access to data so that they can compete economically, so they know the trends on which way America is moving, and maybe push algorithms that decide one way or another to get people into specific ideologies. As if Elon Musk doesn't do that with X. Zuckerberg doesn't do that with Meta on Facebook, IG, and now Threads. But that's the thing. In unrelated news, Trump has just appointed Carrie Lake to be the director of the Voice of America. So while Donald Trump is going to revitalize state-sponsored media like his buddy Putin, we also have our a bipartisan effort now. Like it's not. Let's be fair, signed by President Biden to shut down TikTok, which is the only application that has a unique algorithm that allows small creators, pretty much anybody, to reach large numbers of people if they put their mind to it. Something that really is not all that easy to do on a platform like YouTube and IG. Have you heard them talk about protecting our data? No. They say they don't want China to have access to that data. They want to be the only ones that are able to exploit that data. Whether it's Elon Musk or Zuckerberg or anybody else, these are all horrible people, and nobody has their best intentions in mind for my data. So if my data is going to go out, why the would I care if it was China or the United States? Think about it.